just received my true Ibri sneakers today. I'm excited to open the box. On and popping. Excited to see how these are going to look on me. Here we go. Oh, wow. Oh, I'm enjoying this label. It's different than any other label I've ever seen. Tickanwa'Tic, a kingdom of a higher commonwealth. This is a nice box. Oh wow. Opens up like an accordion. Oh man. Here I go. These sneakers are the bomb. This is an Italian suede. Oh, the bottom is different than any other shoe I've ever seen. Wow. Let's try these on. I'm about to put these on. This is a well-made shoe. Look at the tongue. Made in Italy. I'm liking this label. I like the way it laces up. It fits, the color, everything about it. I'm retired. You will not catch me with these on the jogging trail. The shoes are stylish.
These are soft.
Yes, they're comfortable for a sneaker. I'm loving these shoes. They're comfortable. I look good in them. And you all will too. So go ahead and buy you a pair. Y'all better get your true Ibris.